Hi, I'm Belinda Esterhammer. I'm the Managing Director of the DO Asia.
And I'm Aigul Sofiolina, Community and Sustainability Lead at the DO Asia.
The DO is a global platform for accelerating a new economy that is sustainable, innovative, and equitable. With offices in Berlin, New York, and Hong Kong, we help organizations to empower their employees and activate firms to change with speed. We are a platform that builds empowerment programs and work with business leaders to transition into a green economy, upskill their employees, and also we build ecosystems around the big challenges of our time.
At the BAM Festival 2022, we are offering 3 mini workshops that will give you a glimpse into our unique innovation process called the DO method that aims to accelerate a leader's impact on the environment, people, and communities through learning and applying key concepts and tools of sustainable business practices related to relevant industries. These workshop topics are sustainable mobility, climate anxiety and leadership, and co-creating inclusive cities.
If you want to learn more about the DO, connect with us on LinkedIn, the DO Asia, or with me, Belinda Esterhammer. We are so excited for BAM Festival 2022 and see you there.